Something about Anil Kapoor very few people know.
Wake up and do my makeup and come on the sets, and he's like, so I'm going for a run, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So he's very hyper on the sets all the time. I don't think people know that.
Okay, Akshay Kumar.
He always steals watches from people.
What is your favorite thing about working with Shah Rukh, and what is your funniest memory with him?
When we did Dil To Pagal Hai, we used to do before Dil To Pagal Hai, we did Koila. Usme we were always like either in some keychad, running around, doing something, fighting, so it's always, I used to say, we should do a nice romantic film together.
If you can please answer these questions based on your work experience with these celebrities over the year. Easiest way to win Shah Rukh Khan's heart?
I think just stand in front of him and go this way.
My God. So Madhuri Dixit is doing that for Shah Rukh Khan. This is a moment. All right. Okay. Easiest way to piss off Salman Khan?
I think distract him while he's working.
Okay. All right. But what a journey you guys have had. Like, it's like, I spoke to Suraj ji, and it's what an experience it must have been for you guys. One thing Aishwarya has, you wish you had?
Her beautiful eyes.
So your best co-dancer, ma'am?
Prabhudeva.
All right. Who's the best dancer among the three Khans?
That's a very tricky question. But I think they all have their own charm.
Okay, that's a very diplomatic answer. Something about Anil Kapoor very few people know.
Right now he's a workout maniac. He will wake up early in the morning. He used to think I'm a lazy person because, I used to like wake up and do my makeup and come on the sets. And he's like, so I'm going for a run, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So he's very hyper on the sets all the time. I don't think people know that.
At the promo launch, I saw Anil sir very chivalrously. वो आए आपको उन्होंने स्टेज पे आपको चढ़ाया.
always a chivalrous guy, always been like that. And one of the reasons why I admire him, क्योंकि we are similar in a lot of ways. We both are very hardworking. We are always on time. We are very disciplined. Even in our lives, we are very disciplined. He's looked after himself so well,
right.
And I believe in that too. So I think all these common factors kind of come together.
और ऐसा भी नहीं है, जैसे कि माधुरी ने कहा कि आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये सारे पागल हैं, ये बोलती ये भी कम पागल नहीं है.
All right. What is something that hasn't changed about these celebrities over the years? Shah Rukh Khan, what do you think hasn't changed about him?
I think his sense of humor.
Okay. Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
The way he pours himself into his films.
Okay. Akshay Kumar.
He always steals watches from people without them knowing. He does it so well. It's amazing how he does it.
Okay. Saroj Khan.
Sarojji, of course, the talent. I don't think he'll ever change.
Okay, when you entered this industry, which actress did you consider your biggest competition?
I don't know. I never looked at it that way. I never looked at someone else being my competition. I always felt the competition was with myself. That if I did a scene today and if I did a song today, the next one I had to do better, than what I had done. I wanted to emote better. I wanted to approach the role in a more organized, sensible way. Learn, new ways to emote. Learn. So I was always on that journey. I never thought of who's around me. I want to be better than this one. It's not possible. We are different people. We are different personalities. And what you bring to the table is more important than comparing yourself to someone.
Okay, this is Riza from Malaysia, ma'am. Which one of her songs does she find more challenging to dance while shootings? Please send my love to her. Any song that you felt challenged?
Yeah, there was, of course, the dance I did with Prabhudeva, Ke Sera Sera. Because,
right, Pukar.
Yeah, Pukar, because his style is very different from my style. And, all the stunts he does and, leaping and, all that. So it was different for me. And so that's why it was challenging. And I did something different, but I enjoyed it at the end. It was great. It was something different from what I had done till then. Of course, Choli Ki Piche Kya Hai was a very difficult song to do because the sets were very huge, and you know, the way it was lit was beautiful, but the steps were also difficult, you know, in the song. Of course. Aur Chane Ke Khet Mein, there was one portion in the song which was like the whole music piece was done in one shot. And so, you know, I was fumbling, I was not getting it right. So then Saroji said, Acha, just go relax for 2 minutes, come back. So I just sat for 2 minutes, you know, just meditated, came back, and we got the shot right. Or a song like Tamma Tamma, which was very difficult.
Of course.
Dola Re Dola was also, because there were so many trolley shots. So one goes out, the other comes in, and it was all zigzagging and all that. So these were songs which were like difficult to shoot.
There are many more, ma'am. There's so many more. There's so many more. In fact, I just wanted to say that people offhand remember so many of your songs like Choli and Dhak Dhak and Didi Tera Devar. But what you mentioned about Chane Ke Khet Mein, that song when it released, it was a rage. People.
And do you know about this? I think I've said it in interviews before. But that was not the song which was originally done for that.
Okay.
There was another song which was for that situation, and me and Saroji didn't like it. So we went to Rahulji and we said, you know, ye gaane mein maza nahi aaya, we're not liking it. It's about we dance to this song and stuff. So he said like, okay, I'll ask him to do something. And then they bought Chane Ke Khet Mein.
My God. But it was a rage, ma'am. It was a rage at that point of time. This is Rashid Javed from Lahore, Pakistan. How was your experience of working with Aamir Khan in Dil?
It was wonderful. He looks very Sida, but he's very mischievous. And that's what I came to know when we did Dil. But it was wonderful because he's a good actor, very good actor. He emotes beautifully. And Induji, me, Aamir, we were all relatively new at that time, the director and Baba Azmi, the cameraman. So we had a great, camaraderie and rapport while shooting the song. So it was a blast.
This is GHTV Nath. Will we be able to see you share screen with Aamir Khan again?
You know, it's all up to what the script is, who approaches you. If somebody's thinking of that kind of subject, of course. I mean, I worked with Aamir in 2 films actually, Deewana Mujhse Nahi and Dil.
Yeah.
So 2 movies. Right. Yes, of course, he's a fantastic actor.
Right, very fine music in Deewana Mujhse Nahi. I think some really good songs.
Yeah, some very rock and roll kind of songs were good.
This is Mukesh Malik from Orissa. Hey ma'am, hi. Who's your favorite dancer in Bollywood?
My God. If I go back in time, then there are so many. There's Vaijayanti Mala, there is Padmini ji, there's Wahida ji, Hema ji, who are such brilliant dancers. In today's time, there is Katrina, there's Priyanka or Deepika, who dance so beautifully, Sonakshi, and Alia, who kind of surprised everyone by doing a classical number. Hrithik Roshan, I think, is a brilliant dancer. There's Prabhu Deva, with whom I danced, and I got like really nervous.
Right.
Dancing with him. But it was thoroughly enjoyable. It was so much fun. There's Tiger Shroff, who is unbelievable. He dances in the air, I think. He just... Yeah. Him, Govinda, of course, favorite, and Amit ji, because he doesn't do much, but whatever he does is like, just
classy. It's classy. Yeah, it's classy. Muthu from Malaysia. First of all, love you, Madhuri ma'am. My question is for you is, in this generation, which actor, both male and female, are rocking in the industry?
I think there's not one, but I'll tell you, as an actress, I think Alia is really very versatile. I mean, she can get into any role and do any sort of a role. Also, I like Deepika and Priyanka. They're very good actors. They get into the skin of the character. And Deepika, she also carries these larger than life kind of roles very well.
And you have this cameo of Ranbir Kapoor, which is, I think, he's a huge fan. Obviously, you guys have done a Agra and Ghagra.
Yeah, and I thought our chemistry was very good in Ghagra.
100%.
And
100%.
He's such a good actor. I mean, he's one of my favorite actors. And when I did Ghagra, it was so much fun. And I thought when they were talking about the scene that happens in the bar, they just came up with the idea that why not ask him to do it? It would be so interesting.
Right.
And I said, yeah, that would be great. And we asked him, and he said yes, and it just happened, and he was on the set.
Right.
And the whole, like the crew was, they were going crazy.
Must be.
That Ranbir Kapoor is on our set. So that's his charisma, you know, when he walks in and all that. It's like very charismatic, and we really had fun doing that scene.
This is Prerna from Austin, USA. Hi Madhuri ma'am, what is your favorite thing about working with Shah Rukh, and what is your funniest memory with him? He tweeted Candle recently.
Yes, he did. He did. That was very sweet of him. He's always been very generous, you know, about compliments and all that. But he is someone who he's fun to shoot with, because he knows everything about everything. You know, he's a great. You can have any kind of conversation with him, and he has a great sense of humor. And when we did Dil To Pagal Hai, we used to do before Dil To Pagal Hai, we did Koila. Usme we were always like either in some keychad, running around, doing something, fighting. You know, so it's always. I used to say, you know, we should do a nice romantic film together. What is this? We are just, you know, running from someone in this film. So he's like, yeah, we should do that. And then Dil To Pagal Hai happened after that. And he walks into the set and says, Abhi sab saaf sutri film hai, right? It's like we are not mele, kuchele, gande. We are looking very nice, fresh, dapper, beautiful. So I said, yeah, that's right. So he is someone who's very breezy, and that energy that he brings with him is amazing.
This is Riyadh from Rajshahi, Bangladesh. Madhuri, ma'am, big fan of yours. Can we expect a Ranbir Madhuri film? Why not, ma'am? If Salman, Sonam, SRK, Alia can at least one more song. Love to see you both together.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. I don't know. I don't know if there's a script out there. Somebody has a script. I would love to work with him. He's a terrific actor. And but it's all up to, you know, the writers and the directors to think about a subject like